Okay.
Okay. Hi guys. Today we're going to cover squares, square roots, simplifying by ratios, and then sharing by ratios, and then one figure approximation and other stuff as well, which we'll talk about in the meeting. So first, you're going to start off by squares. So as you all know, 1 second. As you okay. So what are squares? So squares is like okay, let me explain by an example. Let's say three wait 1 second. Let me just screen share the whiteboard. Share, where's the whiteboard? There we go. So now let's say, for example, 3 and then 2 on top. That will equal 3. You multiply 3 two times because of the 2 on top. Now at this point, you can, if for doing squares, it depends, you can do different. But then if, okay, now I'll explain further, just two examples. So 3 times 3 equals to this 3 3 squared. And then another example is 5 squared, which is 5 times 5. So these are examples, and you can only do it for when it has to be squared to 2. If it's squared to 3, it's going to be different. You can't have 5 squared.
It can't be squared to 3, bro. It can't be squared to 3. It's cubed to 3.
Oops.
You can't be
Pardon?
squared. You can't be squared to 3. You have to be cubed to 3.
Thank you. Now you can explain further.
Okay, just remove your annotations. Hold up. Okay, my whiteboard now. Okay, first let me just tell you guys what is squaring. So squaring just means multiplying a number by itself. So for example, 3
Facts.
squared is 3 times 3, which in this case is 9. Okay, so basically, if we were
Yes.
to take it like we take algebra, hold up. Just wait. Where is it? Hold up. What? Okay. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. I just need to do that.
Yes, no?
Okay. Screen sharing is disabled.
Screen sharing is disabled. Oh,
Yes.
sorry. It's enabled. Sorry.
Okay. Let me just.
You can share now.
Trapped in the concept,
Okay.
falsely accused, was used,
Okay.
and
So
misled.
Niall!
what?
What?
What happened? What happened? Why are you laughing? Is my music playing?
Why?
You
Yeah,
can
your
hear my
music was
music.
playing. Yes. Why do you listen to music when you're doing videos?
Yes. What do you think I do? How do you think I do these videos? Huh? Hold up. Let me just not share sound. I'll get demonetized, bro. Demonetized.
Sorry for those
Copyright.
technical difficulties.
Guys, you
That
heard
is by
nothing.
XXX Tentacion, not Niall's music. Niall
It's not
actually
my
has no
music.
music.
YouTube, please
Sorry,
don't sue.
sorry.
My bad,
Yes,
YouTube. My bad. My
Niall.
bad. Okay.
Next time, don't music while you're explaining something. I really wonder how you're gonna concentrate if you're listening to music at the same time trying to explain something.
I wonder. I wonder. Okay.
Same here.
So it boosts thinking. Music boosts thinking. Okay. So what was I saying? What was I saying? Okay. So n squared. So n is just a number. N squared just equals to n times n. Simple. N
And
times n. Right? N times
yes,
n. That's easy.
yeah,
That's
n
easy.
times n. Yeah,
So 5 squared equals 5 times 5 equals how much? 25.
it's
Okay, now,
25.
Adams, give me any two-digit number.
Any two-digit
Two-digit number,
number.
yes.
Okay, I'm going to give you
I can
99.
99.
Yeah.
Okay, sure. I guess. 99 is good. Okay, so now I'm gonna teach you guys how to get the square very fast. Not that fast, but like it works. Instead of just doing conventional 99 times 99, there's another way. Like DJ Khaled said, another one. Okay? So what's the closest easy number to 99? It's 100. So to get to
Yes.
100, you plus by 1. Here you minus by 1. Okay? What goes up must come down, as Isaac Newton said. So 98. Okay? So you see, we plus
Yes.
1 to get to 100, which is the easiest number, meaning it'll end in zeros, right? It's very easy to do with 100. Okay? The easiest, closest number. So we're not going from 99 to 90. We're going from 99 to 100 because it's closer, right? And then you plus by 1 to get to 100, and then you do the same thing on the bottom and get to 98. Now you times these two numbers quickly. So you can just times these two numbers.
You do 100 times 98.
So just do 1 times 98, which is 98, and then 0, 0. Okay, you're almost done. You're almost done. Okay, now you add it by the square of this, of 1. So 1 squared is 1 times 1, so that's just 1. That'll give you 9801.
1.
Hold up, let me just check. Sorry. What's that? Okay. I mean, sorry. What was it? 99.
Why are you searching Spotify?
99 squared. 9801. Boom. 9801. That's correct. Daring. Put check marks. Okay. Give me another one.
Another one.
Another
As
one.
DJ Khaled says.
Another.
Okay.
Stop copying my jokes.
That's too bad. Sorry.
Okay, I leave the meeting. Then you'll see.
I said sorry. I said
Okay.
sorry. Relax.
I accept you. I accept
I'll
your
give you.
humble
Can I do 3-digit numbers?
3-digit will be difficult for you guys. So just
All
do
right,
2
2 digits. Sure, 2 digits.
Because
Okay,
Miss will
2
only
digits.
give us 2 digits. This is not
All
cool.
right.
This is not cool. This is
All
not
right.
cool. Okay.
Okay, I'm going to give you I got one. I'm going to give you
Just tell me the number, man. 55. 55 is way too easy. I'll show you guys how to do it with 5s later. Just give me another number. With 5s, it's way
Okay.
too easy. That's 3025. By the way, 54 squared. 38. Okay, 38. Thank you. Now, what's the easiest
Okay.
number? What's the easiest closest number? That'll be
40.
Yeah? And you add 2 to get 40. Then you do the
Exactly.
same thing here, minus by 2
You
to
minus
get
2.
36.
6.
Yes, 36. Now we do 4 times 36. So 36
4 times
times
36.
4 will give you 20, and then a 4 carries, so 12, 13, 14, 144. Let's just check. Guys, don't choose a calculator. Or 144.
Wait,
That's
guys,
easy,
just
quick mathematics.
before now we continue. Yes, please don't use calculators, but I'm just giving you heads up. As soon as you go to your 8, you'll be using calculators. So to confirm, and you know what I mean.
Okay, so
And I'm not lying.
38
Actually, when
squared.
you go to your 8, you're going to use calculators.
Bro, I'm trying to do mathematic over here. Hold up. Okay, 144. Now, 0. We disregarded the 0. We have to add a 0. You guys forgot about that part, didn't you? I also forgot about that. Okay, so now final step, the square of this number. So 2 times 2 is 4. So that'll give you 1444, and square root of 38 is 1444. I am correct. You all are welcome. Okay, now number with 5s. Now interesting stuff. Interesting, easy stuff. Okay, interesting, easy stuff. Okay.
Interesting.
So 55. Okay, 55. Okay, so every number that's in 5, You have to go either up or down. You can go both up and down, okay? So it will always be a
Okay.
gap of 5, right? Because you can go both up and down. Okay, so it'll
Yeah.
always end in 25, which is the square root of 5. Remember, because that number ends with 25. So it'll end on any square with 5 will end in 25. Okay, just remember.
5.
Now, how to get the first number? So there's 5. What's after 5 in the numbers? So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? So 5,
6.
6.
Yeah.
So do 5 times 6, which gives you 30, and then 25. It's 30, 25, easy. 55 squared is 30, 25. Again, you see? Easy as that. Another number that ends with 5.
Another number that ends with 5.
Mhm.
Another, okay, I'm going to give you 65.
65, that's 4225, right? Okay, 65, 6 times 7, that is 42, right? 4225, and we are correct, boys. 65 times 2, sorry. Don't ever make that mistake. Don't ever make that mistake. Don't ever make that mistake. I'm stupid and made that mistake. 4225, another one, last one, and we do it quickly. Another last one.
I give you.
Yeah,
I
another
give
one.
you.
Last one.
Okay. 75.
75. That is 56625. 5625. Okay. So 7 times 8, 56, 56, 25, 5625. Are we correct? We are correct. This one doesn't want to tell us. Yes, boys, we are correct. Okay. Easy. It's easy. Okay, cubes. There's no trick for cubes. Just memorize that. No, I'm joking. Cubes. Okay, so I don't. Okay, yeah, we're doing cubes. Sadly, okay, sadly, we're doing cubes. So hold up. Can I? I'm gonna test one thing. So 10. Sorry. I need to test one thing. Let me just test one thing. So you have 12. Okay. You go up to the easy. You go down to the easiest number. So you minus by 2, right? To 10, and you plus 2. This for cubes, I think it might work. Okay, so 14 by 10 is just 140. Now, cube root of 2 is 8. So that is 148, I believe. 148. Huh? Hold up. Nah, it doesn't work, guys. It doesn't work. Or I've messed up and I don't know where I've messed up. Okay, that could be an option. But I don't think it works. Sadly, guys, it does not work. That was just an experiment. It doesn't work. So sad. Very sad. Okay. So for cube roots, there's not a way. You just have to multiply them. Oh, but what you could do, so 12, you'll be able to easily take the square root of it. So that's 10 minus by 2, and that is 14 plus by 2. That's 140 plus 4. So 144. Now you can just times 144 by 12. That'll give you your answer. Easy, simple, right? You can do that. Or you can just 12 times 12 times 12. So you can do, let me teach you guys a trick. So 10, you can do 10 times 10 times 10, which is, watch it just not work, like 10, hold on, 10 times 10 times 10 gives you, where is it? It's 1,000 times 2 times 3, 1,000, that's 8. So it's telling us it's 108. It's not. Okay, guys, there's no easy trick, not that I'm aware of, for cube roots. If I find one, I'll share it. But for currently, there's no easy trick. You just have to do it the old-fashioned way. So 144 times 12 or 2 times 12 times 12. Okay, I'm sorry guys, I don't have an easy way for that. I'm sorry. So that is squares and squares and cubes done. Now square roots. Okay, square roots. Give me any number.
Any
Why don't you
number,
give me any number?
I give you 69.
Are you serious? Okay, another number.
Why? I'm giving you 69.
69, I believe, is not a perfect square. So hold up. Let me just check if it's a perfect square. It's not a perfect square. See, it's
Okay,
8.3 something.
I give you,
Give me a
hold
perfect
up.
square root.
Yes. I give you, wait, hold up. I give you 81. 81.
You can't hear my music anymore, right?
No, I give you 81.
You give me 81, okay? That works. 81 square root. Okay, so what you do, hold up. Where is it? Okay. So the perfect squares, you just have to memorize the perfect squares. Let me just. Okay, so what you need to do, you have to memorize your perfect squares. So 1 squared is 1, 2 squared is 4, 3 squared is 9, 4 squared is 16, 5 squared is 35, 6 squared is 36, 7 squared is 49, 8 squared is 64, 9 squared is 81, and that's all you need. Okay, so you just have to list your perfect squares. You have to know your perfect squares. So for 81, that's easy because we already know it'll be 9 with that perfect square. Can you give me like another number that is so 14?
That is
14 times 14, let's just see what that is. 196. Okay, so 196. Let's just take 196. Okay, example. Then what we do with our perfect squares, we just have to see what numbers end with a 6. Okay, what numbers end with a 6? So we know that 16 ends with a 6 and 6 ends with a 6, right? So so that's 4 squared, which is 16, and 6 squared, which is 36. Okay, 4 and 6, we just keep that to the side. Okay, now we have 1. What's the square? So that's just 1 because 1 squared is 1. We need to find the number that is either equal to or less than the number, the first number, which is here, which is 1 in this case, 1 squared. So 1 is our first number. Okay, now we either figure out if it's 4 or 6. Okay, what we do for that one, we can just estimate it by 5. So 15 we can do. Okay, 15 you can easily tell that is 225, and 225 is less than, greater than, sorry, 196. So you choose the least number. Get me? Okay, just leave this method. You guys probably
Yeah.
don't understand it. Do you understand it or no?
Okay. Me personally, ish.
Ish. Okay, so just for square roots, then you just have to try hit and try method, I guess. If you guys can't understand that, if you can't, what's another word? AFK. Okay, every single day. Sorry. Okay. So for square roots, just memorize them. Hold up. So 15 squared is, so that's a 2 to 5. 2 to 5. Okay, so 1 is, oh, okay, it works, guys. That was my bad. Sorry. So that's 15. So that's 225. Okay, so 196 is less than 225, right? So we pick the less number. You get me? Think that's pretty easy. We take another example. Let's just do 225 in this case. So now what numbers end with 5, which is, well, 5. So the ending number will be 5. And the closest to 2 is 1. So that's 15 right there. Easy, simple. Okay. If you want more clarifications, just ask me, but we did this in another video. Okay. Cube roots, Well, there's no trick. You just have to find them out. No trick, at least I know of. And the trick I know of is very complex, and you guys won't understand. Probably won't understand. Okay. What is this guy doing? What do you mean every single time? What? Okay. So next we have, hold up. Okay. Simplifying. No, we did simplifying algebraic equations, so we won't do that. Terminology we also practiced. For sharing by ratios. Yes, sharing by ratios is one that we need to do. Okay. So sharing by ratios, also called sharing by ratios. I think it's called sharing the total. I think. So hold up. I just need to get like a question so I can do it. Share it. Share 64 in the ratio of 3. Okay, 64 in the ratio of 3 to 5. So 64, we have to split this in the ratio of 3 to 5. So first step to split these ratios, you first add 3 and 5, which will give you 8. Okay. Then you divide this number by 64. So 64 divided by 8 is just 8. Okay. Now you have this number. Now you times 8 by 3, the first number here. So that is 8 times 3 is, what's 8 times 3? 364. Sorry, my brain is not working, guys. 8 times 3 is 24. Sorry, guys, I'm very tired. 24. Okay, so the first number is 24. Then the next, so 8 times 5 is 40. And then it's a ratio of 24 to 40. 24 to 40. It's 24 to 40. Okay. So hold up, sharing. We just need to check our answer. Okay, so wherever I got that from, yes, this. So you see, it's 24. It's a ratio of 24 to 40. Okay. So probably you
Yeah.
guys don't do you understand? I do another example. Share
Another
another example.
example.
Another example. Okay, 36, ratio of 4 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, ratio of 4 to 5, 4, 5. Okay. So now we have a ratio of 4 to 5 divided by 36. Okay, that's simple. So first we add up 4 and 5. Okay, first you add these up. That's the first step. You add them up. Okay, that'll give you 9. Now you divide this number by 36. So divided by 9 equals 9, 18, 7, 36. So that is 4. Now for this first number, you do 4 times 4, which is 16. And 5 times 4, which is 20. That's simple right there. That's easy, simple. 16 by 20. That's your answer. Ding, ding.
Okay.
And if you want, you can simplify it further, right? So by 2, let me just do it by 4 by 4. That'll give me 4 by 4. That's 4. And okay, so you know that you've shared it correctly when the number results to the original fraction. Okay, or original ratio. You've done it correctly. It's 16 to 20. Okay. So, so do you understand or you don't understand? I think that's clear. Hopefully that's clear. What else is next? Converting, you guys know how to do converting, right? I'm pretty sure
No,
you guys
it's not converting. Relax. It was we forgot to do one figure approximation. That's okay.
one figure
You don't have to do
approximation.
that.
One figure approximation. Okay, we'll do it. Okay, so give me any number.
I give you
Give me a
362.
Decimal.
Relax. I know what I'm saying. Relax. 362 times 2.5 divided by 42.
362. 362
times 2.5.
2.5 That's not
divided by 42.
42. So this expression is divided by 42. Okay, so what you do first?
No,
you're meant
you're meant to draw a line under 362 and 2.5, and then you keep 42.
Okay, yeah, you can also do it like that.
Yeah, but then it will be
there's
more
two
easier
ways.
and
There's
more
two
understandable.
ways. This is also
Yeah,
mathematically correct. This is also
Yeah, there.
mathematically correct, by the way. So,
Yeah.
okay, or you can do what was it? 2? What was it? 45. Was it 45?
45, 40. It was 42, 42.
42, 32, 42.
42, 42.
Okay, so I don't understand how this is
Can I
approximation, but like
can I explain?
this
Can
is
I
board
explain?
mass. This is board mass.
No, it isn't. Let me explain. Okay.
So now you about like
First,
canceling or
yeah, it is going to include cancelling. So then this is a method Miss had taught me. So she first taught me that since she said that for the okay, let me just circle this number. This 6. Wait, hold up. Pole. Huh? I'll accept.
remote control machine. Okay.
Okay, so as I said, Mr. Miss had taught me that. Let me first circle this. How comes nothing's popping? So the 6 in 362. So Miss had said if the number is above, since 2 is less than 5, you have to add, we'll add no, sorry, I mean, since 3 is less than 5, we are going to add a number from 6, which is going to become 5, but it actually won't become 5. Miss taught me this method. So you're going to take one number from 6, keep it into 3, which will become 4, and then now you're not going to include the 6 and 2. We're going to make them as zeros.
Okay. Yeah, I get you. I get what you mean. I know this. Hold up.
Okay.
Yeah. Just read my remote control. I'll show you guys. Because like no offense, but like explanation is quite shaky. So let me just explain it. I understand you. Okay, so 362. I have 362 right there. 362. Guys, rounding, right? So if the number is above 5, if the number
rounding, you're going to round it to the nearest
100.
Yeah, you're going to round it. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So 62. So we don't look at the first number. We look at its neighbor. So the second number.
Yeah, the second number. We always look at the second number, the number next to it, which is on the right. So which is going to be 6, and then you're going to take one number from 6 to 3, which will become 4.
Chill. Okay, so you have 6. Any number that is greater than 5 goes up.
You're going to goes up. But if it's not greater than 5, it will go up. Like for example, 2. It's not greater than 5, so you won't take a number from 2 and keep it to 4.
Okay. Yeah. So 6 is greater than 5, so you raise that up. Okay. And since we're rounding by the hundreds, we raise the 3 up to a 4. So the 6 goes up. This is just rounding, guys. So it's pretty basic. The 6 goes up, which gives you 4.
It will give you a 4. Hello?
I'm alive.
Okay, so as I said, it will give you a 4, and then we are going to, since you're rounding off to the nearest hundreds, it's going to be 400. You're not going to include. You're not really necessarily going to deduct a number from 6. You're just going to round it off to the nearest hundreds, which will become 400.
You're just promoting that number. You're raising that number.
To
the nearest 100, which is 400. Okay. This goes up 100.
Now for 2.5, since 5 is above for us itself, you're going to take 1 out of it, which to the 2, which will become 3.0, as you said, rounding off to the nearest 100. So you can just write it as 3. Yeah, just keep 3. Keep 3 to make it simple. Same to 40, you're going to keep it as 40 because 2 is less than 5, and therefore you won't round it off. Now you're going to do cancellation, and then it will give us
okay, so let me just explain. Hold up. Okay, so after that, what you do, you have that 2.5, right? Since 5 is above 5 is above or equal to, so let me just put equal to, above or equal to 5, it goes up. So it goes up to 3 because you're rounding in the tens place. Okay.
Yeah.
So it goes up to 3. Okay. So for the 40, now you have 2 zeros. You have 2 common zeros. Okay. So bada bing, bada boom, I'll remove zeros up, down. Now these zeros are cancelled,
Yes.
so I can just remove them.
Yes. And
The
then now,
power of
after
cancelling.
that, now wait, now let me finish up the explanation. Now you're
Okay,
going to
go.
do, now you're going to do, okay, what I did, okay, you can do 40 times 3, which will give us 120. 1 second. Okay, so okay, let me just say what I did. I had done this before. So what I did was 400 times 3. I didn't do any cancellation. I did 400 times 3, which gave me 1200, and then divided by 40. So that's when I did my cancellation. I cancelled the first 2 zeros, which I remained with 120 and 4. I divided that, which gave me 30. So your answer should be 30.
Okay. So let me show you guys my way. Okay. Easy way. Easy stuff. I like to do it before. Okay. It just makes it easier. Okay. So 40. So I have 40 times 3. So 4 times 3, we do, that's a 12. And then there's
Yeah.
an extra 0. We can put that 0 here. Simple.
120.
Now
Yeah.
divided
Yeah.
by 4. Okay. That's a 30.
Yeah. Yeah.
Well, easy. Simple. But
I like doing cancellation at the end.
yeah, that's also fair. That's reasonable. That's reasonable.
Yeah, continue.
Yeah, that's all, I guess. So you just do 120.
Actually, yeah, that's all.
That'll give you a 30.
Okay,
Hold up. Wait. So that'll give you, you see here. So if you were to do it normally, you would get to 1.547, blank, blank, blank. Okay. Which,
Yeah.
well, is confusing, and we don't have a calculator. So it's pretty hard to do, I would say. Okay, so is there anything left?
Now we're remaining with 2
I know,
minutes,
I
so
can
I
see the
think
time.
that's
I
all
know,
we
I
can
see
cover.
the time. Yeah. So converting
all we
decimals
can
and
cover
fractions
today.
with the it's
We'll do it
easy,
next
you guys.
video.
Hold
We'll
on.
do it on Monday. We'll do it on
Monday,
Monday.
I don't have time.
Okay, we'll do it on Tuesday.
Bro, I do not got time, bro. I'm busy.
Oh, same. I also don't have time on Tuesday. Okay, so I guess this is going to be our last video. We have an assessment on Wednesday, so I hope so this helps. If you have any questions, ask us either in the comments on YouTube, or probably for the people who are watching this and are in our class, we have a WhatsApp group, so ask questions from there.
Ask
And
me.
yes, and this time we won't make that mistake of saying our numbers. So that's all we can say.
You can ask if you guys want clarifications. You can quickly ask. You can just ask +254 751 8.
Sorry guys. Okay. sorry. Okay, now you're going to edit this part out. Cut. For any help, if you need any help, just call +2547 595134.
You will not say my number. Okay, so it's time, guys.
No, that the recording won't be saved. Fuck. Why?
Stop screaming. I paused the video.
Why? You started a new recording. The recording won't be saved, bro. You know what you're costing us at this point. You know what you're costing us now. You know.
I paused the recording, chill. I just paused the recording, chill.
Oh, okay, I see.
Now YouTube will demonetize us. Great, thank you, Adams.
Okay, great. Okay, now you're going to edit this part out. Sorry, guys. Sorry.
Okay.
That's all. Now I'll end the recording. You're remaining less than a minute for like seconds. Okay, that's all. Bye.
Okay, so for logic, that's just your logic practicing terminology.
Yeah, no, that's all. Goodbye.
Goodbye.